matter what type of construction or landscaping project you want to tackle at your house, there's an easy way and a hard way to get the job done. The hard way is to move dirt with a shovel. It's time-consuming and back-breaking work. The easy way to grade a lawn, dig a hole to plant a tree, or trench an area for a sprinkler system is with the Bobcat skid loader. The Bobcat also offers dozens of attachments from trenchers to tillers to augers. And because of the way Bobcat's designed, swapping out attachments is quick and easy. The great thing is this is like running a giant video game. You got forward, backwards, right, left, easy to do, thumb controls. Your bucket is controlled by your feet. And you can move a lot of dirt. I saw 3 of these dig an Olympic-sized swimming pool in just one day. So no matter what your job is, you can handle a lot of it with this. But this isn't all that you can do, not just move dirt with a bucket. They've got other options as well. I've got John Haygood here with me from Bobcat of Dallas. Thanks for joining us, John.
Yeah.
Hey, tell me about this attachment that you've got for our Bobcat here.
Well, this is our 203 trencher. It's a 3-foot depth trencher, and right now it's set at a 6-inch cut. And there's lots of different trenching options as with anything with a Bobcat. You can go from about a 4-inch wide cut up to a 12-inch cut, and anywhere from 2 to 4 foot depths.
I like that. Anything that gets me off the shovel, I'm good for.
You bet.
I noticed you got some other attachments over there. Let's go take a look.
Okay.
Well, John, this is a whopper of an auger. What size fence are you putting in?
This is a 30-inch bit here, and would be used for planting like transplanted trees.
Yeah.
And you can put anywhere from a 6 to a 36-inch bit on these Bobcat augers, anywhere from building fences to planting trees.
Now, I know that's not an attachment for a Bobcat, but it's got Bobcat's name on it. What have you brought over here?
Yes, this is kind of Bobcat's newest little toy, the MT50. It's kind of a walk-behind, smaller version of a skid steer, really. You might call it that. It's got a tiller attachment on it now. Again, it's got several attachment options, just like the skid steer loaders do. You can go from the tiller to an auger to a trencher, back to a bucket, just as easy as you can with the Bobcat.
So you can walk behind and really do anything you want up front. It doesn't matter that it comes with the tiller right now.
Yes, sir.
Anything that you want to put on it. Well, that's going to save us a lot of work because we got a big yard with this 1 acre. John, thanks for all your help today.
You bet.